Hi guys, what's up? It's Annabelle and welcome back to another freaking vlog. I'm so pumped for today. Hold on, let me turn off this fan because it's so loud. That's better. Today I've decided to do a deep cleaning for my room. I've decided that I want to do this for every month and just kind of like vlog it because I always deep clean my room at the beginning of a month, and I kind of just like deep clean it on Sunday, like every Sunday too. But I never really like record my deep cleans that much, and I've noticed that you guys really like those. So we're gonna start this video out with some unboxings really quick and then hop into the cleaning portion of it. But I also want to show you guys my flowers because I just posted my first like spring Instagram picture, and I'm obsessed because spring is like literally here in Georgia. Like it is 75 degrees outside right now. And the other day it was like 30, so it could very well be 30 again tomorrow, but I'm in high hopes that it's like officially spring. But I also went to Trader Joe's the other day and got a ton of flowers. Look how beautiful these are, you guys. I'm so obsessed. You guys know, if you're an OG, sunflowers are like my favorite flower ever. Only if you're an OG, you know this. But yeah. I'm obsessed. I love flowers so much. And then I also have these over here, you guys, and they're kind of like, not dead. They're definitely doing good. They're cute. Tulips. I love them. I actually didn't realize how much I love tulips until I was at Trader Joe's the other day and I was like, wait, these are so beautiful. So I got some for my picture on Instagram and then ended up just like throwing them in a little vase. But because I picked them up from Trader Joe's and then used them for multiple pictures, they like kind of like drooped and like died a little bit, and then I threw them in water when I got home and now they're just like all over the place. So I honestly think they look prettier this way though. They're kind of just like. And then I threw in some baby breath flowers. That's literally what these are called. I threw some in with them and I just think they're so cute. Quick unboxing until we clean my dirty room. Okay, this is not an unboxing video. I literally just thought that it would be fun to add these in to like spruce up the video almost, so that it's not just like me straight cleaning for 10 minutes. I thought that I'd show you guys some like cute little spring things that I got before we jump into it. Basically, Dulce Vida sent me these adorable pair of shoes. I just want to show you guys. They're literally so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. They're the Knowles vinyl heels in nude, and I really love them. I can't wait to wear them and style them this springtime. Ugh, I'm so obsessed. They're so cute. Dulce Vida has such cute heels. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute with like a maxi dress or like a midi. So cute for the spring. And then they also sent me this pair of sandals, which I actually wore the other day. These are the Indie sandals in black Stella. Or maybe it's the Indie Stella sandals in black. They just look like this. So cute. I love them. Perfect little spring shoe. I have seen these clips all over Pinterest, you guys, all over Instagram, like everywhere, and I was recently in Florida and my friend Maddie had them and I was like, oh my god, I need to get those. They're so cute. So I ordered them on Amazon and here they are. Super cute. If you are like obsessed with fashion, you need to get these. There's like one in every color and they go with like every single outfit ever. Like, they're like a fairly good size too. Like, are you kidding me? Flower clips? Those are so cute. And I told you that they have one for every outfit. Like, I literally was not kidding. I could literally wear this with this one. This was actually an accidental purchase, you guys. I was on the Liquid IV website the other day, but I was trying to use their like Valentine's Day code, and then I also like had a code myself from like this one time. For some reason, it just like wasn't like working, and I went to go press a button and it literally just like ordered what was in my cart. Basically, I ordered $80 worth of Liquid IV that I didn't even need, but I will still use. These are the Energy Multiplier, and I'm actually gonna give these to Dane because he loves these so much, and he says that like when he drinks these, he doesn't even have to drink coffee. But I love coffee, so I'm gonna stick to my coffee. But yeah, it's matcha, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it, and ginger. I ordered these for myself, and oh yay, I got the acai. These are just the hydration packets, and I absolutely love hydration. Now that I've been going to work out at like 7:30 every single day, these are so great to drink. Last night I had a couple glasses of wine and woke up this morning and was like, I don't want to go. I feel so like dehydrated, and I drank a Liquid IV and like literally felt like so much better. So not sponsored, but I love Liquid IV. And then the very last thing that I want to talk to you guys about, this is actually sponsored. You guys will hear more about Dossier in upcoming videos. They literally sent me perfume for life, but these are the two that I'm going to talk to you guys about today. Dossier, we're going to open it, the opening package. Iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. So this one is actually the Floral Honeysuckle, but it's inspired by the Gucci Bloom perfume. It looks like this, and it tells you all about it on the back. It tells you the concentration, how it works, the notes in the perfume, and like who it's inspired by. So cute. This literally smells amazing. I've already smelled all of these because I was so excited. But it smells so good. And the next one that they sent me is the Floral Aldehydes, and this one is inspired by Chanel No. 5. And also it tells you the notes, the concentration, how it works, etc. Let's smell it real quick. I'm so excited. Chanel No. 5. It reminds me of that TikTok sound. And I love that they're both like floral-y scents, so it's like perfect for springtime. But I also have a discount code for you guys. It'll be on the screen. Definitely go check them out. These perfumes will also be linked if you guys want to check them out, as well as all these items. Yeah, and let's go ahead into the video. Okay, so tomorrow is Sunday, and I always wash my sheets on Sunday, so I'm not going to do that in this deep cleaning video, but typically I deep clean on Sundays. I'm just filming this vlog for tomorrow. So, wash your sheets every single week on Sunday. It makes you feel like you have your life together. We're going to make my bed for now. So cute. Mwah. No! Oh my gosh. Intermission. Say hi.
I'm in?
Yeah.
What up, vloggy?
Okay, we're going to get a pub sub. Video with me?
I don't know how.
You don't know how? Hey, thanks for watching.
Good night, hamsters.
Hamsters. Tell them to subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Comment, what's your favorite article of clothes on this clothes rack? You should have given me.
That was funny. What's up, YouTube?
That's not what you used to do.
No, that's what Jake Paul does.
Make sure you give this video the thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay, I'm done. Good night. Bye. Love you guys.